So I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective past question 43. Balances of trade involves exchange of A. Goods only, B. Services only, C. Goods and services, D. Goods and capital. So the concept we are looking at here is balances of trade, and what it involves. Now, balances of trade can be defined or refers to the differences or the difference between the value of a country's imports and exports for a given period. Now, when you talk of imports and exports and the value gotten from it, what comes to mind is goods, because goods are the ones that are usually imported and exported directly. Goods. So from this we can deduce that the concept of balances of trade involves just goods and not services. So the answer is A, goods only. Thank you, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.